another episode of On the Dotted Line. My name is Deshaun Lines, one half of On the Dotted Line. I got a new IG IG on page. Our IG page is Trade Day Digital. So make sure you follow me up there. I'm gonna put like everything. I'm gonna put coding sessions. I'm gonna put the unique technologies out there. I'm gonna be doing talking about stocks and cryptocurrency. I'm gonna be doing all of that. Trade Digital 89. Make sure you follow me. So today is another Python coding session for beginners. We're gonna do a little bit of some more for loops. We're gonna do something called Turtle, and then we're gonna do some freestyle code for the beginners. So we will get right into it now. Let me go back to the. I hear the music. Y'all hear it. All right, let me full screen it. All right. Let me pause the music so we can get right into the code. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna do some more beginners. There's a moth in here. We're gonna do some more beginners code before we do Turtle. So we're gonna do something. We're gonna do something fun since it's the NBA finals. So we're gonna do something called import random. Or hold up, random. I can't spell right now. So we're gonna do something called import random as hold up. We're gonna do something called import random as randit. Import random as randit. So basically, what this gonna do is it's gonna give us a bunch of numbers in random order. We can just do anything. So since it's the NBA playoffs, I'm gonna do something right now. Since I'm a Knicks fan, so I'm gonna just do this. So I'm gonna put print. What are the Knicks chances to get to the finals? I know it's far-fetched, but you gotta learn how to code, man. You're gonna learn how to code the beginner way. So we're gonna do that. So if we want to get like random, hold up, I don't even need to put this because it's already import random. So we just want to see the chances to like 1 to 100. What is the Knicks chances? So what we'll do is we import a random. So we're gonna do another for loop. So for I in range to 100. So it's gonna be up to 100 as far as our the prediction we're gonna have, and the value we're gonna put value equals random dot randit. And then with that, we're gonna put 1 to 100. And then we're gonna print value. Simple code. So we're gonna find the value of our prediction and see what's the Knicks chances to get to the finals. So what are the Knicks chances to get to the finals? 1 to 100. So I'll just put up chances. Chances 1 to 100. So let's print. Let's see what we get. Oh, ain't bad. It ain't bad. The chances is not bad. It's not bad for the people that are Knicks fans. They said 73. So what are the Knicks chances to get to the finals? Chances out of 1 to 100 is 73. Hey, it's not bad, man. It's not bad. But you see, basically going back to the code, what it does is it's looping. It's looping in random numbers. It's looping in random numbers from 1 to 100. So it's picking a value inside 1 to 100. So it's picking a number randomly. So that's what it does. It's just random.randit is picking the value to see pick a number value inside 1 to 100. That's what it do. And then we just print the value since we initiate a variable value that equals random.randit 1 to 100 and then give us 73. So very, very simple, very, very simple code. We'll do another basketball term, since it's the playoffs. So, we're gonna do, since KD and LeBron is like the best player, so we'll just do KD gonna equal to 5, and LeBron is gonna equal to 6. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna create an if statement. So we're trying to see who's better. We're trying to see who's better. And you see, I create a variable that KD gonna equal 5 and LeBron gonna equal 6. So you're probably gonna see who's better because 6 is greater than 5. So we do it like this: if KD is greater than LeBron, which it could be better, print true. Print true. Else print false. So what this do is we create a if statement, and we initiate our variable KD equals 5, LeBron equals 6, and we know 6 is greater than 5. So what this supposed to return when we run the code is supposed to say is false, because KD is not greater than LeBron, because KD equals 5 and LeBron equals 6. So what the else method does, we put, we could put anything here. It could be like print if it's I'm gonna just stick to that. So the else and the elf and all of that is pretty much seeing what's true and what's false. It's pretty much going down the list. So I put print true because if we don't put no else statement or whatever, it's just gonna print true. But we put an else statement, say if this is not true, if KD is not greater than LeBron, else print false. So it's pretty much going down the list of the if statement, and we should get it should say false, and it says it. So right here you see it. It says false because KD equals 5. We initiate a variable to KD to equal 5 and LeBron to equal 6. So he's gonna say LeBron is greater than Kevin Durant. Simple. And this, for the people out there that's trying to take, if that's interested in getting a certification, entry level, these are the things that's on that entry level certification. You can be able to pass that with flying colors. So you can print true, or you can do something like this: print true again, else print true, elf. So it says else if, which sounds so weird. Is it like that? No. It's elf, right? Yeah, it's elf. I don't know why it's not working. It's supposed to work because it's supposed to be if the else statement is not working, it's supposed to be the next thing. I find it weird that that's not, because that's supposed to be going through it, because it's supposed to be elf. Moth. This moth is crazy. So that's supposed to highlight right there. I don't know why it's not highlighting, which is weird. But I guess we'll have to return it then. But I just wanted to show you something. But basically, what this does, it prints true, and if this condition, if this is not true, you go to else just in case if this is not true, this is wrong, print false, and then it print false because KD is not greater than LeBron. All right, so we did that. Another cool thing. And now we're gonna do something called slicing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slice a word out of a scramble a scrambled letter, scramble letters. So we're gonna put X gonna equal to, and then we're gonna create a bunch of scrambled letters. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna create a bunch of scrambled letters. I'm trying to figure out what scrambled letters should I put. But it don't matter. So we're gonna put in the string. So I'm gonna put a bunch of scrambled letters like this, and then I'm gonna put my name here. I'm gonna put my name here and put some more scrambled letters. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna count. We're gonna count right here. So it's gonna be like, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So we should be able to start to 22, and then 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So it should be able to take, it should be able to take all these numbers and pull that number out. We can do that. Let's see what we can get, so we can see we can pull that value out. So what we'll do is we're going to slice that first, because it is a lot of numbers, and we gotta first see what word we're gonna put out. So I'm gonna just do something randomly and see, because I think it's 24 characters long. Let's see. So what it does put out. So it basically pull out. We're trying to see what it pulls out. So it pulls out this other scrambled letter right here. So we getting close. So you see DA is right there. So basically 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So basically we want to start at getting all of this. We got to see how many in there. I should have did like some machine learning to guess, to see how many characters long is that, because that's going to take forever. I don't want to waste any time. I'm trying to slice my name out of that. So I might do like a lot of guessing right here. I might do a lot of guessing. Let's see what we got here. So if I put 11, it starts from there. So let's see. We start from 20. Let's see what we got here. All right, so what I see right here, it only took a little bit of words out. It took only B, C, D, A out. So it started from there. So we getting closer. We getting closer. Let me see. So let's see if I put 20, 22, and I'll put 20, 29 and see what it does. Okay, man, I literally hit this on the nose. I literally hit this on the nose. I'm totally like guessing right now, and I hit it on the nose. And I got my name out of there. So you see my name. You see my name. My name right there that we got out of that scramble. That's the scrambled letters. So basically, what I found out is Deshaun it starts at 22nd. So it's the 22nd position, and then it ends at the 29th position to take my name out of this whole scramble list of letters. So that's just slice it, to get you gotta figure out what position it's a certain letter, because if we do this, if we do print, and then you remember X is what we initiate this variable to be. So X, and then we want to slice something. We want to take one word out, or whatever. It should be able to print S out, because S is at the first position. But remember how Python count: 0, 0, 1, 2. It starts with 0. 0 is a number, because if we do 0, it's going to pull out C. Because we talked about the slicing method. It's going to pull out C. Let me show you. It's going to pull out C right there. So you see it pull out C because it's in position 0, which is really the first position. But for you to understand, it's in Python, the letters that's in the string, it starts at position 0, and then so on. So that's C. So they showing is so D must be position 22. So let's see if that's true. But it is, because I got my whole name out of there. And D is position 22. And position 29. Oh man, what I'm doing? What I do right here? I don't know what I did. Hold up. I don't know why I did that. And position 29 is S. So when we do the bulletin, there, it's stopping at S. So it's not going to print out S. It's not going to print out that value. It's not going to print out S, because that's where we stopping at. We stopping at position 29. So it's really printing position 28, which should be N. So that's slicing. I had to because I didn't want to waste too much time trying to figure out what position it is. But so I had to really guess that part, and then I got it in the nose. All right, so let's do something cool. Something interesting. Something called Turtle. Turtle's like it's a library that you can design like shapes and sizes and stuff like that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna import Turtle. We're gonna import Turtle. Hope I'm spelling Turtle wrong, right? We're gonna import Turtle. And this is like what a lot of kids like to do. Like when they see this library, they say, "Oh, this is cool," So this is definitely for the kids. So what we're gonna do, we import Turtle. So what we're gonna do is Windows win equals Turtle, and it's gonna be, and then we're gonna do close. Dot screen. So what this does is going to we need to pull the screen, the Windows screen. And then the next thing what we're going to do is we're going to do Windows, and it's going to be the color. This is going to be the color of the screen. So it's going to be Turtle. It's going to be Turtle dot BG color. So basically this is for the color we want it to be. And let's make it black. Make it black. Nah, let's make it a cool color. Let's make it yellow. Not purple. I'm just going through it right now. So purple is going to be the screen color, and then what we're going to do is we're going to initiate T. That's going to equal to Turtle, and it's going to be dot Turtle, but with the caps. What the hell I'm doing? Okay. Just got like a brain fart. All right, so we did that. So we initiate that, and now what we want to have like the lines, like the shapes. What color we go try to make the shape? So we'll make it. So I do. So what we'll do is we have to put T, because remember we initiate T to as a variable to equal turtle.turtle, and this we're going to be using to try to build our shapes. So so we go to T color, and I'm gonna make it white. Let's see if white will pop up. All right, we'll make that white. So what we're gonna do is we're trying to see if we could create a shape. So for I in the range, and then what we want to put in the parentheses, we're gonna print the size, like different angles and different size, but we just want to build something. We want to see what we can print out of that. So what we want to do is we're just create a line. So it could be T dot forward, and we'll make it 50, and then T dot left, we'll make it 90. We're gonna see what we can get from here, and then we'll do turtle I wonder do I have to do pip install this turtle dot done, and you always put turtle dot done because this close it closed this for loop. It closed the whole turtle method. Oh, what happened? Source something has no attributes of forward. What? What they mean I have no attributes of forward? It just printed. That's weird. That says have no attributes of forward. I may have to do this on the idle, but that's weird. All right, so let's just see if it prints. Let's take this out since they're complaining. It won't even pull the window up. All right, so you see the graphics, you see that it's a purple screen. I just don't know why it's not letting me go forward right now, which is weird. Let me see. Hold up. Let me see if I make this 90, will it do anything? Why does it say it says T? It says turtle object has no attributes of forward. All right, let's see circle then. Like crap. There's always some difficulty. So T dot, let's do that. Let's do circle. Give me a circle. Okay, give us a circle at least. So the forward one. So basically, it gives us a circle. Yeah, it's cool, right? All right, and it's a unique. So it look like a flower. So basically, we create a flower on accident. So what it does is going back. Do y'all see that? Let me see. You see? I don't think y'all see that. See that on the screen? Let me check the chat. I don't think y'all see that on the screen. No, y'all don't. All right. So I'm gonna have to share that part of it. Let me see if I can share it. Damn. Let me see if I can share that part. 1 second. 1 second, fam. I don't know why I can't share that part. Let's see what we can do. Share. Stop screen. Let's share again. I wanted to share the output of that. Okay. So this was what we created. So we created this right here. Hold up. Okay. So we created this. This is what we created. This is what we created with our code. What we did for I in range, and then we put 4. You see right here for I in range, we put 4. Then we did, because 4 is going to be, you see, it's 4 circles here. So it's going to be 4 circles. And then what we did was, because remember, we initiated T to equals turtle dot turtle. And so we put T dot, because the forward wasn't working. I don't know why the forward wasn't working, but whatever. So we put T dot circle. And then I believe I put, let me check back on my code. But yeah, put T dot circle 50. So 50 is pretty much how many times it's gonna go around. It's gonna be 50%. And then we did T dot left. So it started, we put 90%. So it's how many times it's gonna go to the left, like the mouse. So it's cool. And by accident, we create a flower. By accident, we create a flower. It's a little fun little Python library, cool for the kids. You know, we created a flower by accident. How dope is that? So yeah, so I don't want to go too far into that because I want to make a whole episode about turtles, and I'm gonna stop it here. Let's stop it here, and let me stop it. I'm trying to stop it. And I'm gonna stop it there. Hope everybody enjoyed this episode. It's a really, really short and sweet episode for beginners. You just show them basic Python code and unique code. I did some complex things for machine learning and doing arrays. Now I'm doing like super duper beginner so people can be comfortable in doing it. So hope everybody enjoyed. Please follow me at Trade Digital 89. Please follow. And when you look at this episode, and get this out, like telling you, well, like I said, in the other episode, man, it's important now more than ever before that people learn how to code, especially people that's looking for jobs. This is important, so make sure you you check this out and you learn it. But that's it for this episode. My name is Deshaun Lyons, one half of On the Dotted Line. Peace out. I gotta let the music play because it's.
I'm just getting started. Oh yeah, we got it, bitch. I done made more millionaires than Lotto did. Jane made millions, Biggs made millions. Ye made millions, Just made millions.
Peace out.
Made millions, Cam made millions.